Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Jamaican dancehall artists, the men versus the women, in my opinion. The reason why I'm going to cover this subject is because one of my subscribers has reached out to me and asked me my opinion on the topic. So first of all, I want to say thanks for reaching out to me and asking me questions. I appreciate all questions that my subscribers ask me on the channel in their commentary and questions that they ask me by reaching out to me by email. I also welcome everyone that view my channel or ones that are subscribed to my channel to feel free. If you want to hear my opinion on a topic or what I know about the topic, feel free to reach out to me. Again, where this is concerned, this is my personal opinion, and my opinion doesn't necessarily make it law. Dancehall is one of Jamaica's backbone, the culture's backbone, and I've been highly involved in the industry of dancehall. I've been involved in the music of dancehall since I was a kid. Dancehall music has always been something in my ears. I've often said to my friends that my mother, if she had ambitioned herself to be a DJ, she would have been the one of Jamaica's best DJ. I'm not talking about DJ as in the microphone, mic magicians. I'm talking about the man who selects the music. And I give my mom that credit because as growing up, I could tell when my mother got a little extra money, because when she goes to the town or she goes to the market, she always come home with a 45 or an LP. And my mother had a record for every situation. For all you Jamaicans out there that remember when Red Stripe beer used to come in this carton box that we had to open by two sides, and they were real hard carton. That's what my mom used to keep her records in. And whatever the situation, whatever the mood, if my mom was even arguing with someone, if she didn't feel like having a verbal conflict, my mother was one of those women that would just go into her house, pull out a record and put it on, and in an amazing or an astonishing way, that music would pretty much say whatever it is that my mother wanted to say. Anyway, let me get on with my views to what I think of dancehall artists, the men versus the women. As a Jamaican that was born into the 70s, by the time dancehall music started to become significant to me or have any meaning, one of the first female artists that I'm aware of that I've ever actually heard was Sister Nancy. And after Sister Nancy, there's been a whole lot of other female artists, whether their last name end with Ranks or started with Lady. There's been quite a few over the years. Personally, to answer the question, I'm going to have to say, when it comes to dancehall music, I do not believe that the female should have any slacks given to them versus the men. And when I say that, what I mean, if a female is gonna make dancehall music her ambition, she has to come as good and as hard and be equally qualified as the men are. I don't think we should create any room for wiggle or room for pardon just because that female, that artist is a female. And it's based upon that where my judgment or my opinion of men versus female in the dancehall arena is concerned. I'm just here to declare that, in my personal opinion, if a female is gonna make dancehall her ambition or her life career, I believe that she should come as good as all the male has. And the only female artist, in my opinion, has done that is Lady Saw. Lady Saw was raw, Lady Saw was raunchy, but Lady Saw was also lyrical. And that's in my opinion. I don't believe that before Lady Saw or after Lady Saw there has been any female artist that has hit that bar for me, you know, because when it comes to dancehall music is hardcore music. Dancehall music is often raunchy, it's often explicit. I'm not saying it has to be explicit, but it's often explicit. But more than anything, it's vibey, and you have to pay attention to the lyricists. So at the same time, I'm not discrediting the foundation people, but I'm pretty much saying, not because someone originate dancehall, or not because someone originate any music at all, actually makes them the best. I would say they are the founder, but you have to also understand that popularity doesn't actually equate to great. You know, greatest of all time could go to one of the founders for the simple fact that he or she founded that particular industry. But as the music industry evolved, you have to understand that the younger people come, and the younger generation takes what was already there as a template, and they fashioned it. And we have to give credit where credit is due. So in my personal opinion, where Lady Saw is concerned, even though she came way late after Sister Nancy, Lady Junie, Lady G, and Patra, and so many other female artists, and there are so many artists that is after Lady Saw that's currently, I'm quite aware of the names that are around today. I'm not saying they're not good, but I'm saying Lady Saw has reached the bar, which I believe, in my opinion, if a female artist is here to dominate, you have to be on par with a man, because this is not a sexist thing. This is music. You're either good, or you're either mediocre, or you're just not good at all, not worthy to be on the platform. So that's pretty much my take on the matter. I mean, this video is not going to be a long drawn out one. I was just asked, what do I think about female artists being in the music industry? And again, let me echo it just in case anyone may have some misconception of what I'm saying. I'm simply saying, when it comes to dancehall music, we should not make any exceptional rules for the female artists. And female artists must be just as equally good as the men, because this has nothing to do with strength. This has nothing to do with physique. This is all brain power. This is you're either gifted as a lyricist or a performer, or you're not. So I don't see where we should make a difference. I mean, over the time of dancehall music, when we hear of dancehall artists which are females, we often abreast ourselves for something either gimmicky or something a bit weak. But it's not only the subject matter that makes one, in my opinion, a good artist or a bad artist. It's just pretty much how that person performed, how that person word their word, and how that person deliver. And when it comes to female dancehall artists, I just think no one tops the chart than Lady Saw. If you guys agree, let me know. I'm coming from the 70s. Music in my head is 70s, 80s, 90s, up till today. So I respect those younger people than myself who appreciate today's music but are unaware of yesteryear's music to compare it to. If you guys agree, let me know. If you guys disagree, let me know, because on this channel I appreciate thumbs up, thumbs down. I appreciate agreement or disagreement, because like I always say on my channel, people, each one teach one. Until next time, peace.